NVH? What is NVH? This kit has no NVH.
Real quick, before anybody in the comments really asks what is NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness. Any kind of noise or vibrations that's transferring into the vehicle, or just the harshness of the ride, NVH. What you see is me riding over the GoPro, getting you a little footage of the CB005 kit, and you're going to also see videos of me pulling off just from a standstill. This way you kind of get an idea of how the car transfers the weight now. In the beginning, the car would want to sit down before it takes off. Now you can honestly see from a standstill, once you hit the gas and the tires get going, there is no sit down. I am going to throw a video in of the camera up under the car before and after the install. Starting now, you should be able to see the subframe of the car wobbling around. And there we go, all that play. That is calls from the IRS. And here you can see the kit is installed. Deflection has been reduced from anywhere of 80 to 90%. Using this video as an example, you can see how under acceleration from a standstill, the car itself does not want to dip down on the back when accelerating. BMR Suspension IRS Cradle Bushing Lockout Kit reduces bushing deflection, wheel hop, and cradle deflection, and centers the cradle under the car with little to no increase in NVH, noise, vibration, or harshness. Now, seeing that this kit did work so well, I was browsing a few more of BMR options, and I did come across these two-point chassis braces, one for the front of the subframe and the other one for the K member. I did just today notice that the one for the front of the subframe, which is the one that we're looking at on the screen right now, all the way at the bottom does say note, does not work for the V6 or the GT350 model or a Ford Mustang GT with cooked long tube headers. So I will have to see about this one working on my car. In that case, we still do have the option of the front of the K member. This one is going to be right at the front of the K member, right in front of the radiator. This one should also tighten up the front just a little bit by connecting both sides together. It should be a little more of a feeling up front when you're turning into corners or turning out of the corner. You shouldn't really have that oversteer feeling. BMR is saying that this one does fit all 2015 to 2023 S550 Mustangs. It does include grade 8 hardware. It is constructed of 1.25 inch tubing. It does bolt to the front of the K member. It utilizes factory mounting points for easy installation. It minimizes K member flex, improves handling and steering stability in your S550, greatly improves front end rigidity for hardcore performance, and it comes available in red or black hammer tone powder coated finishes. This is one that I think we're going to go with next. We could reach out to BMR, see if BMR wants to do any kind of partnership. Maybe we could put out a video for this one too. The video is hard to find. Who knows? But as always, until then, stay blessed and take it easy, Green Tree.